Well, I'm not sure how it's gonna go, but we're filling the evaporator up for our first boil. Evaporator's a little dirty and dusty on the outside, but clean on the inside. It's filling up. And we'll see how this goes. First time is always a little sketchy because you're worried about, like I said, all this stuff, we don't use it 10 months out of the year, and then we want to turn it on and go full throttle. So anyways, we're not going to use this. We're waiting on our other pan. I don't know if we'll use it at all this year. We might just boil on this thing. So, wish me luck, because I'm going to need it. We already got a low drip right here. Straighten that out. Somewhere right there. So we get the channel locks on it. So that's what these things do, is they leak all over the place. So you get everything tightened up.